Hello friends, in today's video I will show you how you can prepare this delicious and healthy sabudana kheer or tapioca or sago pudding. This recipe is enough for 2 persons. Now let's start the recipe, but before that, if you are watching me first time, then don't forget to subscribe the channel and welcome to the channel. So without any further ado, let's start the recipe. Here I have taken 1/4 cup of tapioca or sabudana. This is a smaller one that we are going to use. Now take it into the bowl. Basically you have to transfer it into the bowl and wash it 2 to 3 times with the clean water. Once you have cleaned it, now soak it into the enough water. That means when you are adding the water is up to the level of sabudana or tapioca pearl. Now soak it for about 2 to 3 hours and then I will show you. It's been 3 hours. The sabudana are properly soaked. If you have any excess water, drain off the excess water, and this is perfectly soaked. If I am pressing it with my finger, it spreads so softly. Now set this aside. Now take a pan or heavy bottom kadhai, add 2 tablespoons of water. It will prevent the milk from burning. Now add 2 cups of milk. I am using whole milk. You can use any type of milk that you have at home. Now boil it. Once the first boil came, now give it a quick stir. Make sure the heat is on medium flame. And now add the sabudana or tapioca pearl that we have soaked. Give it a quick stir. At this point the heat is on low medium flame. Give it a quick stir and scrape off the sides. After mixing, cover and cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes on low medium flame and stir in between. After 5 minutes, open the lid and you have seen it is slightly thick in consistency. Give it a quick stir. Make sure to cook this kheer or pudding on low medium flame and stir in between. And now you have seen these are perfectly cooked. The pearls are transparent. At this point, add 1/4 cup of sugar. This is the perfect ratio of sugar, but if you like more sweetness, you can add more. Now cook it for another 2 to 3 minutes until the sugar dissolve. As you can see here, as you are cooking it, it became more thick. Once it is reached up to this consistency, as you have seen here, now at this point add some chopped dry fruits of your choice and now cook it for one more minute. After 1 minute, switch off the heat. Pudding is ready. Keep in mind, as it is going to cool, it became more thick, so make sure. And now it's time to serve the pudding. You can serve this pudding hot or cold according to your choice. Garnish it with some pistachios or any dry fruits of your choice as per your liking. So here is the sabudana pudding or tapioca pudding ready to serve, and this is the perfect consistency. This is one bite for you guys. Hope you like this easy recipe of tapioca pudding or sabudana pudding. Make sure when you are preparing this, soak it into the water up to the level of the sabudana or the tapioca pearl, and if you are in hurry, just soak it into the warm water for half an hour and you are ready to prepare the pudding. Rest of the procedure is same. And if you like this easy recipe, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.